a beach day. There's no doubt about it. Folks that maybe have this week off or enjoying a fun day along the coast. Rip currents are still a concern and will be there, though, over the next couple of days. Breezes worked in fairly quickly today. 85 back towards Daytona Beach, 90 now in Orlando. And we're going to get a collision there right along 75, probably within the next 45 minutes. But from there, notice how the rain chances go up even along the coast now. And we've got that deep tropical moisture in the Gulf. We got a front that's going to back in over the weekend. And we have potentially a broad area of low pressure that it will sit around in the Gulf. So it is going to stay wet and extended wet here. And you have to watch that, especially when you're dealing with tropical moisture. And boy, do we have a lot of that. Upper low here, high there, flow around the two of them is pulling up like a pump that moisture from Cancun, the Caribbean, straight up into the Gulf, and that moisture will head eastward beginning tomorrow. Let's take a look now what's going on. Showers and storms now popping south and west there, over towards Denellen and Ocala. A few more showers now near the villages. These are non-severe. We are not expecting any severe weather, but quick heavy downpours could be in the cards there for folks in and around 75. Point Siena, a couple showers here. Those are falling apart, and you can see the next couple of hours here. 7, 8, 9 o'clock, nice healthy line of showers and thunderstorms coming together, and that lines up pretty nicely with where the wind streams and the barbs are coming together at this hour. We've been looking at that. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, Wildwood, some showers and storms around. Thereafter, things will begin to simmer on down. Out the door tomorrow morning, we should be in pretty good shape. Here's the noon hour. There's the east breeze. Here's the west breeze. Notice where the collision takes shape tomorrow. More towards the interior. A sign of a subtle shift here beginning to take shape with a drift maybe back towards the north and west. But on Thursday, here we go. We've got rain potentially in the morning. Look at the southwest winds here now. A little bit more of a shift here back towards the eastern side of the peninsula. That means the heavy rains start to set up I-4 and east by Thursday, Friday, and on into the weekend. And with that continued trend, that's where we can get into trouble with some localized flooding, especially in those poor drainage areas. Look at the 48-hour rainfall total now. Several areas with yellows and oranges and even red, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches of rain being fueled by temperatures tomorrow in the upper 80s and the low 90s. So impact weather Thursday through Tuesday now because of a dynamic setup, one that has a front that's going to drop south and east, enhancing some of the rain here over the weekend. And then as you can see here, little feature, a little wave moves into the Gulf. This lifts back to the north and the east. The first round, look at these totals here now through Tuesday. You start getting into the orange and reds there, 3, 4, 5 plus inches of rain. From there, that little trough of low pressure begins to lift towards the north-northwest. We're on the eastern side. Here comes more rain now as we get you on into next week, June the 1st through the 5th. And you look at the European ensembles here. They are hinting at very low chance, though, for a tropical depression to potentially form late next week. I don't know if I believe that yet, but there's plenty of moisture around, so we'll watch the trends on that. Bottom line, anything that does develop is going to be weak. I'm not expecting any significant development, more of a rain producer here, and that's what's being reflected now on that 7-day forecast. Plenty of afternoon showers and storms. That'll keep the temperatures in check in the mid-80s.